Yo, what's up to anyone watching this? Today I'm just going to go over my combine evaluation and how I got funded that 50K. Just go over my statistics, and I'm also going to go over my new funded account. I already took 2 trades on that account, so I'm just going to review those 2 trades. Let's get to it. Alright, if you don't have any experience with prop firms, this is top step, and the requirements for a 50K funded is that you need $3,000 of profit. So you start at a $50,000 starting balance, and once you reach 53K, then you get funded a real account worth 50K, where you can actually withdraw the gains that you make on that account. So I managed to pass this evaluation in 9 trading days. I had one single losing day right here of 241. Making my winning day percentage, or my win rate, basically 89%. So I'm pretty happy about that. So yeah, I passed this account and got funded in only 9 trading days, which I think is a perfect amount. Anything less than 3 or 4 days, unless you're an experienced trader and you're profitable, you probably got lucky, and the market will eventually take that money back unless you have a lot of strategies for risk management in place. Coming down to my other stats, this has my win rate as 62%. It was a little bit higher than that. Just because I go break even when I'm in profit, 2x my risk, aka a 2-to-1 R. Because I go break even at that point, it changes my winning trade percentage when that break even gets hit, because Top Step doesn't count that as a break even trade. It's either a slight win or a slight loss, changing my win trade percentage. But my risk to reward ratio was very impressive. Super happy with that. 6.87 to 1, which means my average winning trade was around 470, and my average losing trade was like 68. So super good on that. And that is also what allowed me to pass this account so quickly. If you want to see all of these trades were recorded on my YouTube channel. Any of my prior videos was of this account for the last 2 weeks. So if you want to see my strategy and how I managed to pass this account, just go check out my other videos. And right now I'm going to show you guys my funded account and how it's doing so far. I took 2 trades on the funded account. I got funded on the 20th, so that was my first day trading. Took a really solid trade on that day. I'm going to go over that trade in a second. It was a really good trade, and then on Friday I took a small loser of $132, ending the week of my first funded account up $500. Super excited for this account. Going over the 2 trades on my funded account that I've taken. This was the first day I had the funded account and my first win. There's a big key level, which was also a support flip to resistance from prior days. Came up to that key level, and I took it short using Bookmap, and VWAP was also a considering factor for this trade that kind of lined up. And we ended up securing a 4.25 R on this trade because my stop loss was above that candle, aka above this bid. And yeah, I sold one here, or half here and half here, securing a 4.25. Here is that key level. As I said, these are multiple days. It was acting as support. We breached it, and then it became resistance up here where I took it short. Here is my trade on Friday. Small loser. We were trending downwards the whole entire day. If you guys saw the market on Friday, it was one of the biggest S&P losing days in I think 2 months. Crazy red day. This was a trade on the S&P. We came into demand really slowly. We had a little bit of reaction right here. We broke that low that was just created, and I saw a huge sell order on Bookmap that didn't result in a move lower. We kind of popped up, so I went long there, right there, with my stop below the the sell, sorry. Did work for a few minutes. We ended up hitting a 1.6 R, but we quickly came down. We didn't go high enough for me to go break even, which is a 2-to-1. So I stopped out for a small loser under that ask, and yeah, that was a small loser. A lesson I learned from this loser is to not trade off demand if previous demand zones are being sliced through. So before the 75-minute demand even hit, there was a 1-hour demand up around here that just got sliced through like it didn't even exist. So in the future, I'm going to be careful playing reversals in a direction that is showing no strength, basically. Alright, so starting off the funded account pretty well. Pretty happy to start on a winner. That always feels good for some positive momentum. Up $500, and we need 4 more winning days to take a payout on this account. The reason I did not record these trades is that my emotions were just insane trading this funded account. It was a lot more stressful than the combine evaluation. So yeah, I was just too nervous to record. I was so focused and locked in on the trading that I didn't record. But I promise I will record this account next week. So stay tuned to see these live trades on this funded account. Comment below what you guys learned this week, what you guys did right, what you guys did wrong, what you need to work on. And I wish the best for you guys this upcoming trading week. Peace.